everybody.
Welcome to I'm Out Traveling, and today we find ourselves at
Waikiki Beach.
the world famous Waikiki Beach. Woo! All right.
It is beautiful out there.
It is. So the purpose of this video is to pretty much show you guys how Waikiki Beach is doing right now, and to let you guys know that on Friday, June 11th, at 12 p.m. Hawaiian time, which is 6 p.m. Eastern time,
Correct.
we're going to be going live from here, Waikiki Beach.
Yes.
And so what's the purpose of it? So,
Well, we want to show you guys Honolulu and just kind of show you guys around and let you know how Hawaii is doing now that it's opening back up to tourism.
right?
So in case Waikiki or the island of Oahu itself is on your travel list this summer, this video is for you. What have you done already? This is our first day here.
Well, it's our first day here. We already went to this fire restaurant,
Yes.
bomb-ass restaurant she found. It's called Helena. It's really
Yes.
great. By the way, we're doing this video like from the actual beach itself, so don't
Let's get further.
yeah, you know, cut us a break, cut us some slack here, right? We're trying to do this a fun
right,
video for you guys,
so-
but so far we only gone to a restaurant, but we do have
Helena or Helena? I can't remember.
Helena's, but we have a week's worth of hikes and excursions to do. We're gonna do definitely the Lanikai Pillbox hike. We're probably gonna do the Coco Crater Trail hike. I don't know if I said that correctly. We're thinking about doing Three Peaks, which if you guys haven't seen Three Peaks, you should look it up. It's
Which-
crazy.
It's one of the tougher hikes, and we still haven't decided if we're gonna do that, because last time we were in Oahu, we did a really tough hike.
Stairway to Heaven.
Stairway to Heaven.
Yeah.
So
It was great.
we're gonna see how we feel. But
Yeah.
for sure we want to do Diamond Head.
Right, and Diamond Head, which is right there actually. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there somewhere, right there. That's Diamond Head right there.
Or Coco Head will kill your legs.
Yeah.
Because it's a steep incline.
Incline it.
Just stairs all the way up.
Yeah.
So, we'll see.
So that's what we're gonna do. If you guys want to see anything in particular, definitely comment below. Send us a DM on Instagram. I'm out_traveling. I'm listed right here. All right.
Snorkeling, please.
Oh yes. We're also gonna go to Hanauma Bay, which is like world famous, the #1 spot in the world to snorkel. One of them at least.
We have to get there super early.
By 6:45 they open. And the thing about this bay is that you have to reserve your tickets online only 48 hours prior, and if you don't get it, they still have some walk-in availables, but you have to be there really early. So since they open at 6:45, we're gonna get there like around 6:15 to make sure we get a spot, because that spot is like, last time we came in 2019 we couldn't do it, and they're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, so they're only open 5 days a week.
Right.
And so we're going on Wednesday, which is the first day they open, which they recommend. If you're gonna go any day, go right after they open up the bay, because the wildlife, the creatures are like, they're back.
settled.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So we're looking forward to that. But so yeah, if you guys want any questions or anything specific, restaurants, or you want to see us do anything specific, let us know. Comment below. Right?
In the meantime, we're gonna go enjoy this beach.
Yes. All right. See you guys on Friday, June 11th, 12 p.m. Hawaiian time, 6 p.m. Eastern time. And I don't know what other time zones there are, because we don't know all the time zones, but you guys will figure it out. All right. I'll see you guys there. See you.